Good morning to all my dear students. How are you all? Let us start to read the chapter 1, that the second part of the remaining second part of the chapter 1. Let us start. Most was the slot. She had to put homework and test paper. She always had to write them out in a punch code. They made her learn when she was 6 years old, and the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. When she was only 6 years old, she came to learn about the how to calculate the mechanical teacher. How she came to learn. She came to know about that how to operate the mechanical teacher. She calculated and she learned when she was only 6 years old, and she had to write them out in a punch code. She has to punch a code, उसे code punch करना होता था, and she it all learned in a 6 years old age. And now that is the mechanical teacher calculated the marks very fast, very quick. Very fast, very quick, so that the county inspector had smiled after he was finished his work and patted Margie's head. He said to her mother, "It's not the fault of the little girls. It's not the little girl's fault, Mrs. Jones. I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick. Those things happen sometimes. I have slowed it up to an average 10 years level. Actually, the overall pattern of the progress is quite satisfactory." And he patted Margie's head again. The county inspector who came at the house to repair the mechanical teacher of the Margie, जो कि उनके घर आया था रिपेयर करने मार्गी के मैकेनिकल टीचर को, he said to his mother, he smiled, the county inspector smiled him after he was finished his work and patted the Margie's, patted to touch the head very lovingly, प्यार से किसी के सर पे हाथ रखना या उसे टच हेड को टच करना. He said to her mother, he said to Margie's mother, "It's not the fault of this little girl. It's not a mistake of this was not her mistake. His mistake was not of the Margie, Mrs. Jones. I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick. I thought the geography sector became very fast according to the age of the Margie. Those things happen sometimes. It happens sometimes. I have slowed it up to an average 10-year level. I maintain the speed according to the 10-year level girl. Actually, the overall pattern has progress is quite satisfactory. Really, overall pattern, her progress is really satisfactory and good, not bad." And he patted Margie's head again, and he touched lovingly his head again. Margie was disappointed. Margie was very sad and very disappointed, very sad and dull. Why? She had been hoping they would take the teacher away together altogether. She was hoping that, she was thinking that, she was wanting it that the county inspector took away his teacher, his computer teacher with him, together with him, and they had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. They had once a time the Tommy's history teacher sector had blanked out. जो Tommy का history sector था, it was blanked out, it was completely deleted, it was completely blanked out, so that the county inspector took it with him, and completely a month take to return it. So she said to Tommy, "Why would anyone write about a school? Why no one write about the school?" Tommy looked at her with very surprising eyes. Tommy looked at her very surprisingly expressions, because it's not our kind of school, stupid. It's not our type of school. It's not our type of school. This is the old type of school, old fashioned school. They had 100 years ago. It is very old type of school. It is old hundreds to hundreds. कई 100 सालों पुरानी ये स्कूल है, स्कूल का तरीका है. He added loftily, pronouncing loftily in a very superior style, as he know very well, ऐसे दिखाते हुए जैसे वो बहुत कुछ जानता है. He added loftily, pronouncing, he was telling his talk the word carefully. Centuries ago, he added, loftily pronouncing the word carefully ago. Centuries ago, कई सौ सालों पहले. Margie was hurt. Margie was being disappointed, hurted. Well, I don't know what kind of school they had all the time ago. She replied, okay, I don't know more about the old type of school had all the time ago, 100 years ago. She read the book over his shoulder for a while. She read the book over his shoulder for a while. She read once time this book and then said, anyway, they had a teacher. Anyways, perhaps they had a teacher. And now, surely they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher, it was a man. Reply, Tommy. And surely they had a teacher. Of course they had a teacher, but it was not a regular teacher. Regular teacher means their type of, you are watching the picture on nearby page 9, that's the robotic teacher, the screen teacher, computer, mechanical teacher. So regular means here there was not a computers teacher, a robotic teacher. It was a man. The teacher was a man. A man, how could a man be a teacher? एक man teacher कैसे हो सकता है? Because they don't know. They don't hope the man can be a teacher. According to them, according to their Margie's and Tommy's school, computers can be a teacher. So that while he just told the boys and girls things, gave them things and gave them homework and asked them questions. Well, he just Tommy told the Margie, the boys and girls things and gave them homework. He just told the boys and girls, the students of the schools, was the things who students थे and gave them homework. He gave them homework and asked them question and put up the question. A man isn't smart enough. A man isn't smart enough. Sure, Margie again asked, a man can be smart like a teacher. क्या आदमी एक कंप्यूटर टीचर की तरह स्मार्ट हो सकता है? Of course, sure, he is. वो होता है. My father knows as much as my teacher. The Tommy again replied, yes, my father has a great and deep knowledge like my teacher. He knows almost as much as Becha. Yes, my father knows everything very well. Margie wasn't prepared to dispute that. Margie was not ready for the discuss that. So she said, I wouldn't want a strange man in my house to teach me. She replied, I don't want Cam a strange man in my house to teach me. वो नहीं चाहती थी कोई अजनबी उसके घर आए और उसे पढ़ाए. Tommy screamed with a laughter. Tommy jumped up with a laughing. You don't know much, Margie. The teachers didn't live in the house. The teacher and student didn't live in the house. They had a special building. All the kinds went there. He going to describe many more knowledge about the school. अब वो बहुत कुछ बताने जा रहा है मार्गी को स्कूल के बारे में. That is, they had a special building and all the kids went away. They had a special building for the schools and all the students, all the kids went there. वो वहाँ जाते हैं and all the kids learned the same thing. All the students, all the kids learned same thing. Sure, if they were the same age, of course they were in a same age. But my mother says a teacher has to be adjust to fit the mind of each boy and girl it teaches, and each kid has to be taught differently. Margie replied, but my mother said me, a teacher has to be adjust to fit the mind of each boy and girl it teaches, and that kids has to be taught differently. My all the same kind and same thing was teaching there, and all the same age students, same age children were study there. And my mother and Tommy said that his mother told him that a teacher has to be adjust according to the mind and age of the each boys and girls of the students of the school, and he teaches, and each kids has to be taught differently, and he teach them, and every student understand very differently and easily. Just the same, they don't do it that way. Just the same, they didn't do it that way then. Just the same, on बिल्कुल सेम टाइप ऑफ they didn't do it, वो इस तरह से नहीं करते थे. If you don't like it, यदि तुम्हें ये पसंद नहीं है, you don't have to read the book. एंड इफ़ यू डोंट वांट टू नो अबाउट द स्कूल, यू डोंट लाइक द स्कूल, यू डोंट रीड द बुक, तो तुम बुक मत पढ़ो. आई डिडेंट से आई डिडेंट लाइक इट. I didn't say I didn't like it. Margie said quickly. Margie said very fast. I didn't say, मैंने ऐसा नहीं कहा. I didn't like it कि मैं इसे पसंद नहीं करती. She wanted to read about those funny schools. She just want to know more about those, that type of old schools, that type of funny schools. They weren't even half finished when Margie's mother called. Margie school, when they didn't finish it half, when they didn't finish this book half, the Margie's mother called him. Margie looked up. Not yet, Mama. Abhi nahi, Mama. Now said Mrs. Jones. And it's probably time for Tommy too. And it's now Mrs. Jones said that it's time for study for Tommy too. Margie said to Tommy, "Can I read the book some more with you after school? Can I read this book with you after the school? After I attend the school? Maybe." He replied very nonchalantly. Nonchalantly, जिसे हम कहें कि very enthusiastically and very carelessly replied, maybe, हो सकता है. He walked away whistling. वो whistling करता हुआ चला जाता है. The dusty old book tucked beneath his arm. He took his old book tucked beneath his arm. अपने बगल में बुक को दबाए हुए. Margie went into the schoolroom. Margie went to her schoolroom. It was right next to her bedroom. Where was situated the school? Just right next to her bedroom. And the mechanical teacher, what type of teacher they are? Mechanical type teacher was on the waiting for her. The mechanical teacher was on यानी start and waiting for her, उसकी wait कर रहा था. It was always on, it was always be on at the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday. The mechanical teacher always be on at the same time except केवल Sunday और Saturday और Sunday को छोड़ के वो daily on हो जाता था. Thank you. Have a nice day.